Do you know you are going to need this? So that's why you have to just stop scrolling and just watch this particular secret. Many of us, we know how to set up Google My Business. We can help clients to set up their local SEO in such a way that when they search for them, they are going to be seeing something like this, just as you are seeing on my screen. That means when they search about the brand, they can see their business here and they can give review. But there's one thing that you might be having issues with. And what is that? After setting this particular Google My Business up, how can you transfer ownership back to the person that owns it? How can you give them access to this Google My Business without collecting their Gmail to set up this Google My Business? You can even set up this by yourself on your own Gmail and give them the access. Or you are a business owner and someone already set this for you, but you don't know how to gain control of this particular thing. You have to be asking them, or you have to get them on your payroll before you can edit anything, or you have to send to them. You can actually edit it by yourself if you know how to gain control of this particular thing. Now, in the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. It's very, very simple and very, very easy. All right, let's delve into it. Meanwhile, before I start showing you, you have to do yourself this favor, because the next video I'm going to be dropping is going to shake again. Because on this channel, I try as much as possible to ensure that there are some secrets that you need that you might not see on the internet, but I'm making them available for you. So do yourself a favor now by subscribing to this channel and by liking this video and turning on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you are going to get notified. Now let me go there. Don't forget, you are going to start with business.google.com. That is where we normally set up our Google My Business. I'm not going to be explaining that. What I'm going to do here is that how can you gain control of your business? Now, this is a verified business on Google that is showing on Google now. Now, how can I have access to this? Or how can I send the right person that owns it? How can I send this person the control? I'm going to click here and I'm going to move to business profile settings. Just follow me. You can see, it's very simple. You can see people and access. People and access. Just click on people and access. You are going to see that I have myself as the primary owner. You can see my Gmail here. Now, if I want to add another person, maybe I did this for someone else and I want to transfer the ownership to the person, I'm going to click on add. Once I click on add, I'm going to enter the email address of the person. Once I enter the email address, then you can just look at these access options. We have owner and we have manager. That means if that particular person is your staff and you want them to be managing this profile by responding to reviews and by, doing some certain edits, you can give them manager access. But if you want the person, maybe the person is the owner of this particular profile and you are just a marketer that set it up for them, all you need to do is just click on owner, then click on invite. Once you click on invite, the person will receive email that someone wants to make them the owner. And once they accept it, boom, they have the control of this and they can edit anything and they can also reply to reviews. So this is how to gain control of Google My Business that you have set up. I hope you find something valuable from this video, and just watch out for my next video whereby I'm going to be explaining some certain things again that you need to know in the marketing space. Till then, like and subscribe. Take care.